Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Curry Korokke. Korokke is a mashed potato patty coated with panko breadcrumbs and deep fried. They are sold everywhere in Japan, from butcher shops to supermarkets to convenience stores. This korokke is flavored with curry powder and it has a spicy aroma and a little hot kick. These are the ingredients. For more information and the complete recipe, please visit our website, JapaneseCooking101.com. First, we mince the onion. Slice first and cut finely like that. Peel the potatoes and cut into 4-inch pieces each. And we are going to boil them. Cook in boiling water until soft. Strain and transfer to a big bowl and mash the potatoes well, just like making mashed potatoes. Heat the oil in a pan and start cooking onion. Then add the ground beef. Break the meat into pieces using the spatula and cook until browned and cook through. Season with salt and pepper. Now we add the mixture to the mashed potatoes and mix very well. Add the curry powder and 1 tablespoon tonkatsu sauce and mix very well. Add some more salt and pepper to taste and mix and let cool. Divide the potato and meat mixture into 8 pieces. And now we are making oval patties. Like that. After making 8 patties, refrigerate for 1 hour. Now prepare plates or shallow bowls of flour, beaten eggs, and panko. Coat each potato patty with flour first, then egg, and finally panko breadcrumbs. It takes a few steps to make korokke, as you can see. So you might not want to start making it on a busy weekday night. What you can do instead is to make ahead and freeze it when you have extra time. Just freeze the coated patties and deep fry from frozen when you want to eat. Heat the deep frying oil to 350 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and fry the patties for 3 to 4 minutes each side. Adjust the temperature and cooking time if you are frying frozen patties. Remove from the oil and serve immediately. Pour the tonkatsu sauce over if you like, but it tastes just as good without since there's enough seasoning and spice in it. Freshly fried and hot korokke is so tasty. Give this a try and you will see why korokke is so popular in Japan.
美味しい。美味しいね。